This question belongs to aptitude subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015. So the question states, if P, Q, R and S are distinct integers such that f of PQRS is the maximum value, g of PQRS is the minimum value among them, and h of PQRS is equals to remainder of P into Q divided by R into S if P into Q is greater than R into S, or remainder of R into S divided by P into Q if R into S is greater than P into Q. Now it is defining a function f g h of PQRS equals to f of PQRS into g of PQRS into h of PQRS. Also, the same operations are valid for two variable functions of the form p comma q, which means fg of PQRS is equal to f of PQRS into g of PQRS. What is the value of fgh of 2573 and 468? So let us break this out. So we have f of g, then we have h of 2573 comma 468. So it is like this. So first let us solve h of 2573. What is h of PQRS? So we have to tell whether 5 into 2 10 is greater than 7 into 3 no. So its value will be equals to second part R into S divided by P into 2, which is 7 into 3 divided by 2 into 5, which is 21 by 10. So remainder of this is 1. So its value will be equals to 1. So we will get f of g of 1, 4, 6 and 8. Now what is the value of fg of, so what is value of fg of 1468? So here we can use this two variable method. So it will be equals to f of 1468 into g of 1468. Now what is f of 1468? It is the maximum value of among them, which is 8, and g of this is minimum value, which is 1. So answer is 8 into 1, which is 8. So answer for this is 8.